This is the first time that I'm doing this without my little camera crew. I don't have Jack or Henry here to operate the camera or to distract me, so hopefully I can get through this really quickly. Just here really to invite you to join my new, it's not that new actually, Facebook group. It's not my page. Pages get lost in the midst of, I don't know, Facebook land, and it's not the same as a group. In a group I can organize content, in a group I can create some sort of community, I can organize the content as, you know, if I'm putting stuff together. This is not by any means a Young Living sales platform. That's not what the group is about, certainly not what I'm about. It's just a way for me to teach other mums, parents, stuff that I have learned over the last couple of years. Since Tripp's diagnosis, I have been much more mindful of toxins in the home, and I've realized, you know, how important that is really for everybody, especially people with younger children. So this is all that I'm trying to do, is to share the information that I have learned in a way that is easy for people to access, and hopefully a fun way for people to learn new things. I've been able to organize it into units that's not just about Young Living. There's stuff about intermittent fasting. You'll find links on what size hula hoop would be best for you. I want to be posting some stuff about recipes that kids can make, or easy, simple recipes for busy nights when you come back from work, or when, you know, you've had a late adventure with the kids. And anyway, it's going to be hopefully a very valuable resource for somebody that might be like me, trying to do their best to have a, you know, happy, healthy, nurturing home. That's really what I'm trying to achieve these days for my own family and to share with other families. Anyway, if you would be willing to join me, even if you come in, have a look, if it's not your cup of tea, although I do know how to make a cup of tea, not like that viral TikTok video that's going around today, where the American lady is making a cup of tea in the microwave. Anyway, if it's not your cup of tea, you can just switch off notifications, but I'd love you to join me. Just come and have a look. If you have any questions, then put the questions in the comments, and that gives me an opportunity to provide content that other people might be interested in. So anyway, I just wanted you to see my face rather than read some sort of convoluted message and not really understand what I'm trying to do in that group. So I would love to see you. I'm going to link the group in the comments below, and if I can figure out how to do it, then maybe even send a private message through Facebook, through the group. But I just wanted you to know what it is that the group is about. So anyway, hope to see you in there. Thank you.